This decision could crash everything. Right now, in early 2026, the U.S. economy is riding a massive wave powered by AI. Hundreds of billions poured into data centers, chips, and agents, keeping GDP humming at 4% plus growth in late 2025. But underneath, warnings are flashing. Rising unemployment, fragile job market, a potential bubble bigger than .com. Is AI about to save America, supercharging productivity, creating wealth like never before? Or is it the spark that destroys it, displacing millions of jobs, widening inequality, and popping $1 trillion bubble? Today, we break down the real 2026 outlook from economists, forecasts, and hidden risks. Stick till the end. The one decision that could tip the scale, like if you think AI is a savior, or comment crash if you see doom coming. Let's go. First, the case for save. AI isn't just hype, it's driving real growth. In 2025, AI capex hit hundreds of billions, keeping the U.S. economy resilient despite tariffs and slowdown fears. Forecasters like Goldman Sachs, EY, and others see 4 to 5% GDP growth possible in 2026, fueled by AI productivity gains and investment, not consumer spending. McKinsey and Goldman estimate generative AI could add 1.5% annual productivity growth over a decade. Now that's huge, like adding trillions to GDP. Think companies get more output with fewer inputs. Inflation falls, the Fed cuts rates, stocks rise. Wealthy Americans and AI firms thrive. High-income spending powers the economy. No recession on the horizon. Most economists say avoid recession in 2026 with AI as the backbone. This isn't destruction. It's a golden age for efficiency. But here's the flip. AI could feel like a meat grinder for workers. Unemployment already ticking up. Economists forecast 4.5 to 5% by end 2026. Some see 6% if automation accelerates. Why? Companies shift budgets from labor to AI. Entry-level jobs vanish. Hiring freezes hit. Forrester warns 10+ million U.S. jobs structurally displaced by 2030. Permanent, not cyclical like recessions. Young workers in high AI exposure fields already seeing employment drops. It's K-shaped. Top earners and AI owners boom. Lower and middle class face slower wages, pressure from prices, borrowing costs. Even without mass layoffs, just not backfilling roles, consumer spending weakens, demand spirals, and the bubble risk. AI capex projected $500 billion plus in 2026, but consumer AI spend, tiny in comparison. If revenues don't materialize, stocks crash, wiping trillions in wealth. The IMF warns of .com scale wipeout that could trigger recession. The truth? It's neither full destruction nor utopia. Most forecasts, no recession in 2026. Economy muddles through, slows early, then rebounds later. AI adoption is still in pilots for many firms. Real impacts modest in 2026. This is the productivity paradox, initial dip before gains, but displacement is real and accelerating. Agents handle sales, service, coding. Companies optimize workforces quietly. Net effect, higher GDP, falling inflation, but rising unemployment and inequality. The economy looks strong on paper, GDP up, but feels tough for most people. Jobs scarce, wages stagnant. This is the scary part. No crash needed, just faster change than society adapts to. So, what's this decision that could crash everything? It's how we respond in 2026. Reskill millions fast, invest in education, AI tools for workers, then AI saves us, creates new high-value jobs, ignore displacement, let inequality explode, then social unrest, demand collapse, recession trigger. Policy levers matter, tax incentives for human AI teams, universal basic services, regulations on AI labor shifts. Businesses must shift from cutting jobs to augmenting them. Individuals, learn AI now. Those who do thrive, those who don't struggle. The fork in the road is here. Adaptation decides boom or slow burn crisis. AI won't destroy or save the U.S. economy alone. We decide with our choices in 2026. It could print unprecedented wealth or widen the biggest divide we've seen. What do you think? Savior, destroyer, or something in between? Drop your take in the comments. If this hit hard, smash like and subscribe for more real talk on AI's future. Next one breaks down how to position yourself to win no matter what. The decision is now. Don't wait for the crash, prepare for it. See you in the next one.